my people, we are back again. Today we are going to cook Tunfisch pasta. Here are the ingredients: dry sweet pepper, salt, curry, thyme, Tunfisch, basilicum, tomatoes, garlic, onions, long sweet pepper, and green pepper, spring onions, black pepper, noodle, which we are going to use, or pasta, noodle or pasta, hard oil, hard onions, wash the sweet pepper and tomatoes and onions. Add water. Blend. Add tomatoes and the sweet pepper and onions. Some noodle water. Add salt. Cover. Add sweet pepper, add curry, add thyme, add salt, add Maggi, turn very well. Add spring onions or green onions. Turn very well. Our pasta water is okay. Add pasta. I'm going to use 1.5. Add Tunfisch. Turn very well. So we are through of cooking our pasta. You can see. We are pouring our pasta in our Tunfisch sauce. As I told you, I'm cooking a larger quantity. You can cook a smaller quantity. Depends on the family size. So I'm adding basilic onto it. While I'm cutting it like this, I'm not going to use it again. Basilic needs to have its own taste and it's so, for me, I love basilic. We are through. It looks so yummy. So let's dish it. So let's test our noodles. Delicious. So thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comment in the comment section with lovely words. Thank you. Bye. God bless you.